you guys. I noticed yesterday when I was watching my own video that I'd be too close to the... So I'm trying not to do that today. Today I'm vlogging, coming in to say happy 4th of July. Y'all be safe. I haven't been feeling too much like going out because I felt like something bad was going to happen. In my home city, it was 3 people who got killed last night. A few people hurt or something like that. It's just a mess here right now. So y'all just stay safe. I'm vlogging today. Be careful out there. Happy 4th.
So my dad pulled out the real pool from I don't know how long ago.
But I just got my hair slayed. When I say slayed, Leah and my hair slayed. Don't ask me why she got nothing over her head, because I don't even know. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. This is what Leah does in her free time. Say hey. Tell them what you're playing. Football. That's what Leah was doing. The 4th of July. Where else are we supposed to be going? Where are we supposed to be going tonight? Tell them they're going to see fireworks tonight. Okay, y'all. It's been basically a full day of vlogging. At the end of the night. Chew. Gotta sneeze. Excuse me. Yeah, it was a fake sneeze because I feel it coming off. So I was gonna come with it. But you know how you try to do a cute sneeze. But anyways, we're going to the fireworks show. I mentioned that a little while ago. We're going to the fireworks show in a minute. I thought it was darker than what it is. It does not start till dark. But the gates open at 6. It's 7:30 here. Y'all, this is going to be a late vlog because I want to get the fireworks in. So, look, 10:30. Probably about 10:30. Whatever the scenario is, I'm going to get a little bit of the fireworks. Go ahead and work on it while I'm down there because of everything. Y'all, I don't know what I did with my clothes. Somebody told me pink was my color. I found this in the closet. I got a stomach, y'all. Whew, Lord. We're going to be working on this stomach. Because it's something good. But anyways, I'm trying to wait till she gets back in school to really start working. Because for some reason, she does not want to walk with me. And
oh, yes, I do.
Okay, so you want to buy the high school with me? You are? Y'all got that on tape. So, we're going to start back walking daily. Or at least 3 times a week.
And then drinking water.
Okay, so... Right. But anyways. I'm not going to end this video yet. Or I might. Whatever. Yeah. It's going to be a whole bunch of things. So just question mark. Okay, so I'm going to pick up my brother. Y'all may or may not see him. Y'all may or may not get the fireworks. If y'all don't get the fireworks, please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video.
And if you don't,
my camera be acting up. I have a new camera. It's a small camera that I have not even started with yet. I'm trying to wait on my new laptop. I'm in between. I'm indecisive on what I want.
And if you don't do the fireworks, please forgive us.
We're going to see fireworks. It's the 4th of July. Hello. So, y'all be on the lookout. Fireworks are coming in this video. I'm going to try. If my phone works for me, y'all will get fireworks, okay? It's Adri.
And I'm out.
I thought you just say, and Aaliyah. Okay, so you're not going to be the next clip. We not out. We got a whole fireworks coming. She's up my week out. Y'all be on the lookout for the fireworks, which should be the next clip.